Hello everyone, welcome to the fourth tutorial in this HDPCD certification series. In the last tutorial we saw the process of importing the entire table from your RDBMS system into HDFS. Now this is a slight extension to that post. So in this tutorial we are going to see how to import the custom query output from your RDBMS table into HDFS. So the difference between the last tutorial and this tutorial is that we are going to import only a limited number of records based on a where condition. So therefore let's look at the condition that we are going to apply to our RDBMS table. So if you visit this post on my blog, which is about free from query import, which is also called as custom import in Sqoop, you can see our objective is to import data from customers table in RDBMS based on customer zip code equal to 78521. So we are going to import only those records or only those customers record whose zip code is equal to 78521. So let us look at the actual data by logging in into MySQL and see how the data looks like. So I'll log in to MySQL like this, and then I'll go to that database and I'll say show table just to make sure that the table exists. So it's a customers table, right? So as you can see, customers table exist. So I'll just copy this and paste it over here and semicolon. Yeah. So as you can see, there are total of 9 records which we get when we run this command. So after executing the Sqoop import statement, we should also get 9 records in the output. So what is the simplest thing that you have to do? So first we'll exit out of the RDBMS console, and then I'll go to my blog and I'll just copy this command, as you can see here. So I'll copy this, I will paste it in Notepad. So as you can see, it's of 7 lines. So let me go through each and every line just to give you an overview of what each line indicates. Sqoop, the first line, Sqoop import, it's the standard keywords which indicate that, or which tells Sqoop that it's an import operation. In this backslash symbol, it indicates that the command is not over yet and you should continue on the second line. And the second line is what contains all the connection parameters. So you can see JDBC : MySQL, this indicates the type of RDBMS system. Then sandbox.hortonworks.com, this is the host name of the system on which RDBMS instance is installed. This is the default port number for RDBMS on which Sqoop connects, and this is my database name, again backslash. So I'll continue on the next line. --, username is preceded by the actual username of the user which has permission to import data from that RDBMS database or RetailDB database. Username is followed by password, which is Hadoop in this case. And then this is most important line, because this is the line which indicates how many and what records should be imported from RDBMS table. So as you can see, it is the same command that I ran in RDBMS console along with and $condition words. So what this thing indicates? So when Sqoop runs custom query, at that times, in order to get the column names or number of columns of this output query, it needs to substitute this query with a condition any, and that condition is replaced by this dollar condition sign over here. So it's automatically taken care of. We don't have to pass anything else apart from our custom query. Then you can pass either split by, or you can pass number of mappers equal to 1 or 4, whatever you want to. And last but not the least, the target directory. So target directory in this case is user root custom query. So let's say if what happens if I run this command. So I'll just copy this and I'll paste it over here. I'll hit enter. So let's see what happens. So as you can see, it gave me an output saying user root custom query already exists. This directory, output directory, already exists, because I have already ran this query when I was writing my blog. So that is why this directory already exists. So let me give a different directory instead of deleting it. So I'll say HDPCD, then output, and this is my post 4. So I'll do post 4. I'll copy this and I'll run it one more time by clearing the screen, paste, and now I'll wait for the output. So we'll take a look once it generates the output. So as you can see, this is how the output of the command that we ran just a moment ago looks like, and it is showing that it transferred 704 bytes in around 100 seconds. So it's not a good speed, but yeah, when we check for speed in terms of big data, it should be more than a terabyte, right? So let's look at some of the matrices. As you can see, input records were 9, and we already saw that on the RDBMS window. Output records are also 9, which is evident from here also. It's saying that it retrieved 9 records. So let us look at the output directory, how it looks like. So I'll just copy this and clear the screen. So I'll type root fs-ls and the directory. Let's see how the output directory looks like. So as you can see, there is a success file which is empty. It's an indicator that our Sqoop custom query import operation worked successfully. So let me just print the output of this directory. I'll print all the lines. So as you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 records. So I believe all the commands and the steps or the sequence in which we execute makes sense, and this concludes our video tutorial. I hope this is quite useful, and I will try to post as many videos as I can in my free time. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel, and in the next tutorial we are going to see how to import data from RDBMS into Hive table. Okay, so see you, stay tuned, bye bye.